Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to disable comments on a Facebook post. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to open your Facebook and then go to your profile. Now here you can type anything what's on your mind. You can post a caption, just words or photos or videos. And then after that, let's just say you want to set this to friends first. So if this post is set to friends, it's okay. So let me tap this friends first and then tap done and then click post. Now, in order for you to, if you want your post to set in public and then you just want to disable comment section here, like only your friends or the people who followed you can comment, then it's possible. First, you have to set this to public again first and then refresh. Now tap this three dots again. And then after that, you will see this option or feature who can comment your post. So it's up to you if you want your friends can comment your post, friends and established followers, profiles and pages you mention. And this way, even if your post is set to public, yet you have disabled the comment section. And if anyone can visit your profile or can see your post, but they cannot comment to this. So this is how you disable comment section here. I'm going to open my other account and I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to search this account, Alexa Brooke. So let me open my other account here, search Alexa Brooke. And as you can see, this post is set to public, yet I cannot comment on this. Okay, so that's how you basically disable comment section here on Facebook. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.